Welcome to the best picks. The best toaster oven pans is probably one of the most important yet overlooked accessories for your toaster oven. Choosing the right pan can dramatically impact your cooking experience, ensuring even heating, easy cleanup, and the ability to create a wide variety of delicious meals, from perfectly toasted sandwiches to crispy roasted vegetables. This video will guide you through the top contenders, helping you find the ideal pan to elevate your culinary game. Number 5. Ecolution Toaster Oven Bakeware Set. This versatile set is perfect for making delicious meals, snacks, and desserts right in your toaster oven. It's designed for easy cleanup and even heating, saving you time and effort. The set includes a cookie sheet and rack, a muffin pan, and a cake pan, everything you need for baking success. Each piece is perfectly sized for your toaster oven. It features a superior non-stick coating, making it easy to release your creations and simplifying cleanup. Say goodbye to stubborn food residue. Its durable construction ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked goods every time. It's built to last, so you can enjoy it for years to come. Cleaning up is a breeze. It's 100% dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time and effort. Enjoy more baking and less cleaning. Ideal for dorm rooms, apartments, or anyone short on kitchen space, it maximizes your toaster oven's potential. It's the perfect solution for efficient baking. Made with advanced, water-based non-stick technology and free of PFOA, it's a healthy and reliable choice for your kitchen. Enjoy baking with confidence. What we like. This set has everything you need for baking in your toaster oven. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for convenience and a variety of baking options in a small space, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The carbon steel construction of the set makes it sturdy and long-lasting, while the non-stick coating makes it easy to clean and ensures food doesn't stick to the surface. The browning of food is consistent and no issue with burning. Everything just wipes clean. The smaller pan serves as a lid for the bigger pan. The set stores together for space saving. Number 4. Cuisinart AMB-TOBCS Baking Pan. This baking pan is designed for your toaster oven, ensuring even heating and delicious results every time. Its heavy-gauge construction and non-stick surface make it a must-have for easy baking and cleanup. It features heavy-gauge aluminized steel for even heat distribution. This ensures your food cooks perfectly and consistently. The non-stick interior and exterior make releasing your baked goods and cleaning up a breeze. Simply wipe it clean or pop it in the dishwasher. It's the ideal size for most toaster ovens, but always measure your oven's interior to ensure a perfect fit before ordering. Enjoy perfectly sized portions. Cleaning up after baking shouldn't be a chore. It's completely dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your delicious creations. With dimensions of 11.2 inches long, 10.7 inches wide, and 0.8 inches high, it's perfectly sized for your toaster oven. Remember to measure your oven's interior to ensure compatibility. What we like. It's built for even heating and easy release. Cleaning is simple thanks to the non-stick interior and exterior. If you need a reliable pan for consistent results and easy cleanup, this is a great option. What people say. Direct replacement for the tray on our Cuisinart TOB-60N2. It will almost fit a 12 pizza. No issues with warping. Perfect size replacement sheet for my B&D toaster oven. This takes residence on top of my toaster oven because I use it all the time. So nice, non-stick, and just the size I need to fit into my toaster oven. Number 3. casaWare Toaster Oven Pan. This baking pan is perfect for your toaster oven or regular oven. It's made to last with its durable construction and easy release surface. Its exclusive silver granite ceramic coating makes food release a breeze. Enjoy effortless cleanup after every use. It's built to withstand high temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. No peeling or blistering, even with repeated use. It's made without harmful chemicals like PFOA, PTFE, and PFAS. You can bake with confidence knowing it's safe for your family. With exterior dimensions of 11 by 9 by 2 inches and ample interior space, it's perfect for all your baking needs. It's made from durable carbon steel, not aluminum. Cleaning is a snap. Simply wipe or gently scrub, and food slides right off. What we like. This pan is incredibly durable and scratch-resistant. The ceramic non-stick coating ensures effortless food release. If you value longevity and a superior baking experience, this is the pan for you. What people say. It fits perfectly in my Cuisinart air fryer oven, for size reference, and I've used it for everything from regular recipes of cakes to casseroles to roasts. Pretty much anything I made in a 9x13 pan has had no issue in this. The pan is very sturdy, thick with a strong, rolled, top edge and very rigid. No floppiness and no warping at all. No discoloration. The surface is very slick and non-stick, things just slide off. Cleanup is a breeze. After 6 months of being used a couple of times a week, it looks and performs the same as the day I took it out of the box. Number 2. GoodCook Toaster Oven Set. This 4-piece set includes everything you need to start baking. It features a sheet pan, baking rack, oven pan, and muffin pan, all designed for even heat distribution. It's made of heavy-duty steel, ensuring even baking and long-lasting durability. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked treats. The durable steel construction resists warping and scratching, so it can withstand daily use. It's built to last. The non-stick coating makes releasing your baked goods a breeze. Cleanup is quick and easy, too. For your convenience, it's dishwasher safe, although hand washing is recommended for longer life. Enjoy effortless cleanup. What we like. This set provides even heat distribution across all pieces. The non-stick coating simplifies cleanup. If you want a complete set for various baking needs and easy cleaning, this is a great choice. What people say. Great little set. A great cheap way to refresh your toaster oven dishes. It doesn't stick. It washes easy. It doesn't warp in the heat. Perfect for a toaster oven. Everything works as it should. I purchased this 4-piece toaster oven set and it fits perfectly inside the oven. I was looking for value and quality and I found it to be true to its performance. You get the sheet pan, rack, cake, and muffin pan. All your baking items. Number 1. Walooza 11-inch baking sheets. This set includes two 11x9-inch baking sheets, perfect for your oven or toaster oven. They're deep enough to hold plenty of food and are easy to clean. Made from heavy-gauge steel, it's a durable and rust-resistant replacement for aluminum pans. It's free of toxic coatings, ensuring safe baking. With 1-inch deep sides and smooth, rolled edges, it prevents spills and makes handling easy. The dense parallel lines keep food from falling through. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse them under water or pop them in the dishwasher for a quick clean. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us, and we'll make it right. Get 2 baking sheets for double the baking fun. Prepare one while the other is baking in the oven or toaster oven. What we like. Get 2 heavy-duty pans for double the baking capacity. They're incredibly easy to clean. If you need extra baking capacity and want durable, easy-to-clean pans, this is a great option for you. What people say. They fit perfectly in my toaster oven and work just as well as the name brand pans. They are deeper than a normal pan, but I do not mind since we use these multiple times a day, every day. I have likewise put them in the dishwasher almost every night, and they wash well and have held up well. Overall good quality and would recommend. My husband and I are retired, and we cook for only us and found these to be perfect to use as for small portions of food needing warming or baking. It is so nice not to have to use as a big size cooking sheet for just 2 people. They are made very well, and I like the color very much. Nothing sticks, doesn't stain like the one that came with my toaster oven. Highly recommend. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.